Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're revealing the best dropshipping hacks to help you consistently make money from home in 2024. Let's dive in. Dropshipping is an excellent way to start a profitable online business with minimal upfront costs. Here's a guide to help you succeed. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on a specific market with high demand and low competition. Find reliable suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to source trustworthy suppliers. Build a stunning online store. Set up your e-commerce site using Shopify or WooCommerce. Optimize product listings. Write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images to attract customers. Drive traffic to your store. Utilize SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads to bring visitors to your store. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and handle returns efficiently to build trust and loyalty. Check out the full article on our website for more detailed steps. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.